5 reasons you should start indoor gardening. Gardening is one of the most popular pastimes in the world. But did you know that you don't have to head outside to garden? Indoor gardening is, as the name suggests, the practice of gardening plants, flowers and even produce inside your home. Indoor gardens have come a long way in the past few years, with widespread development in innovative indoor gardening tools and techniques that make it possible for even beginners to successfully indoor garden. If you want to know more about why you should be indoor gardening, consider the following 5 reasons you should start today. Gardening helps your mind focus. Gardening is a great way to focus on a specific task at hand, since it requires knowledge, forethought and even careful planning in order to result in successful plant, flower or produce growth. Indoor gardening will help sharpen your mind by teaching you how to focus on singular tasks while still keeping a lookout for the big picture ahead. Gardening reduces stress. Everyone could use less stress in their lives, and indoor gardening is an excellent hobby that will help you reduce your overall stress. Gardening has been shown to help people de-stress through both emotional and physical benefits. Regular gardening may even help lower high blood pressure, which is great news for anyone who needs a low-key hobby to help them relax during the day. You can grow your own produce and flowers. There is something magical about successfully growing your own produce and flowers. The tangible result of hard work and patience can be as beautiful as a new bouquet that you can showcase in your home, or as delicious as freshly picked peppers that you can add to a family dinner. Growing your own produces and flowers isn't just a mental reward either. You will save money by being able to grow your own food instead of relying on the grocery store. It will improve the air in your home. Having growing plants and flowers in your home can do wonders for the air quality, especially during the winter time or seasons where you need to keep the windows and screen doors shut for long periods of time. Plants will help purify the air, which will have you breathing easier and feeling better all around. The more plants you have, the better the air, so don't be afraid to plant a lot. You'll have more control over your flowers and plants. If you love to garden but hate what unexpected events can do to the flowers and plants that are growing outside, indoor gardening is definitely a great option for you. When you garden indoors, you will effectively have complete control over the environmental impact of your flowers and plants. From the temperature to how much water they get, to exposure to sunlight and more. You won't have to worry about unexpected rains flooding out your seeds or excessive sunlight scorching your plant leaves. Indoor gardening gives you much better control over what you grow. And what more could a gardener ask for?